Good evening, parents. I hope you're enjoying your weekend. I know tomorrow we are starting to log into the student portal so that way the attendance for your child can be counted. So I just wanted to show you how to be able to get in. Now you're going to go to dadeschools.net. Now make sure you spell it correctly. DADESCHOOLS.net. When you get there, you're going to click on the link that says students. Now you're going to scroll down and click right here where it says log into student portal. Now, on this part, you're going to put in your child's ID number as their username, and you're going to put in the password. Now make sure you checked your emails because I sent you your child's your child's username and their password. Remember, their password is their birthday. You're not going to input their birthday like how you do on Waterford. You're going to only do 2 digits for the month, the date, and the year, and make sure you don't put the slashes either or they won't count. And then after you put in their birth date, you need to make sure you put their initials. So I'm going to use one of the children's ID numbers just so I can show you. Alright, when you put it in, you're going to click login. And there, you are already into the portal. So you can see we are into one of the students' portal. Now, while you're in the portal, that means you are already logged in. But there's something else that I want you all to do while you're on here. This little app that is right here, this is called Myon. This is something that we will be using that I took a class in during our PDs, the workshops, on Thursday and Friday. It's going to be an application that your child can go on to read and listen to stories. So in order for you to get that to show at the bottom, you're going to click right here at the top where it says apps, services, and sites. You're going to click there. Now after you click there should be a bunch of appliances, a bunch of apps and things that are going to pop up. So you're going to scroll and you're going to find Myon, which is right here. Now when you do that, the Myon, you put a star there. The star is like saying that it's your favorite. So once you click on that star, your page will automatically refresh, and that is how it's going to pop up there. Okay? Now, I'll give you an insight of what this might look like. So, when you click on Myon, it's going to automatically log your child in. And then from there, they can pick their interests in what type of genres and books and things that they like to read. So if they like it, they're going to put a happy face, like animals. If they love hearing stories about animals, they can put a happy face. If they don't, they put a sad face, whatever they like. This is how they rate. And then this will be based on the books that they'll enjoy reading. So we'll get more into that later, but I just wanted to show you that. So we're going to log off of that. But your child is already logged in. So once you do this, you are set to go for the day and your child's attendance will be counted. I also wanted to show you all how to log on to Waterford if you still haven't got on. Now, you should have received in your email an email from Waterford. So I went onto my Gmail account and this is the email that I got. Now make sure it says WEL support@waterford.org. That's who you should get the email from. If you do not see that in your in your inbox, click on your spam. Sometimes it's sent to the spam. So where is my spam? I'm not sure, but always check your spam. Now, after you check your spam or your inbox, you're going to find that when you open up the email, it says click here to activate Waterford. As soon as you click on that, it's going to ask you for a passcode. You're going to put in a passcode. You're going to create one for your child. It could be whatever these symbols, but they need to put 3. I would suggest that you use one of the symbols 3 times. Say 1, 2, 3. As soon as you do that, your child is able to get in and log in. It'll load and then the video will begin. Okay? So that is how you get onto Waterford through your email on the computer. Now, if you do not have a computer or a laptop, but you have access to an iPad, this is how you can get on with your iPad. So I'm going to open up my iPad and I'm going to go to my apps. And on my apps, I'm going to search for Waterford. It's called Waterford Early Learning. Waterford Early Learning. This is what the app looks like. So once you get the app and you download it, you're going to open it. And then Waterford's going to open. Would you like access to the camera? You can hit allow, okay, or don't. So I put okay. Now, you're going to hit scan. So you hit scan and you're going to scan the code. Now, if you need an access code on your iPad, I will send it to you. This is an example of one of the students' access code. I'm going to cover their name, but you're going to get one of these sent to your email. Make sure your iPad, you scan the code. Once you scan the code, it's going to recognize it, and from there you'll be able to get onto your child's Waterford account and they can begin doing their work. So we went over the student portal. We also went over how to log on to Waterford on your laptop through your email and through the tablet or the iPad. Now, if you still have not downloaded the Remind app on your phone, this is what the Remind app will look like. It's like a big cloud with a blue background. Now, you're going to, once you download the app and you create your account, it's going to ask you if you are a student under 13. Do not put that you're under 13. You can put that you're a parent or you're a student over 13. Because if you put under, it's not going to allow you to receive any messages or information or updates that I send you all. Make sure you put that you are older and that you put your settings to receive messages. Now, when you get that, you need to put in the code for my class. So this is a picture of a code for my class. So not only can you download the app, but if you text this number like you're texting on your phone and you send this text message, you need to include the @ symbol, and this would be the code for my class. Once you put that in, it'll let you join my class. And that's all. So this is how you access the Remind app. This is how you set up your Waterford account, and this is how you're able to log into your student portals. I hope that was helpful for you all. Enjoy the rest of your evening, and I will be seeing you all tomorrow. Bye-bye.